Looking for money? Well, I have got you. For over 20 years, I have been teaching programs on down payment assistance and grant programs. And there are 3 that I want to make you aware of that are the hottest, best, wonderful money that you can get to help you buy a house. Number 1 is the Community Advantage Program. This program is 0 down. That means no money down and no mortgage insurance. My favorite grant program is the Florida Bond Program. It's $10,000 to help you get into your home. And if you stay in the home, the grant is going to be forgiven within 5 years. State Housing Initiative programs. And depending on your income and your family size, you can get $10, $20, $30, even $40,000 to not just for your down payment, but also to pay down the principal. So these are 3 great programs. I have a down payment assistance portal link. I can't wait to connect with you and help you get the money you need to buy your home.